Hi Vi, I just thought it would be easier to make a quick video rather than like trying to explain the answer to your question. So here we are in Blackboard, and this is the folder. I'm going to click here where it says click here to enter the folder. I'm going to click there, and then you can see everything that's in the folder. So you were asking about the questions. So for your discussion board this week, and you can read all the instructions here, you are answering some of the questions at the end of this reading. So I'm going to click here to this reading, and here's the reading. And so you're reading and annotating, you're taking notes, and you come down here, and there are questions at the end. You don't have to answer all of these. You're just going to choose one group of questions to answer. So for example, let's say you wanted to answer this group of questions. You can highlight it and then do Control and the letter C to copy it. And then we're going to go back to Blackboard, and I'm going to come here to the discussion board and click on the discussion board. I'm going to do Create Thread, and I'm going to give it a title like zip code and opportunity. And I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to do Control and the letter V to paste those questions. I'm going to keep the formatting. I'm going to put them in quotes because it's not my words, it's the words from the reading. And then I'm going to type what I think right here. Making lots of typos. I live in Lawrenceville, Lawre, and I can't spell the name of my own town, and I would write that. And then at the bottom, I'm going to click Submit to submit. I don't know if you can see that the way the video is working, but there's a Submit button, and I'm going to click Submit, and that would be my discussion board post. And I'm going to answer all of the questions in that little group. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the reading here. You don't have to answer this one and this one and this one and this one, but if you choose a group, you're answering everything in that group of questions. So I think that was one of the things you were asking about. The other thing you were asking about, I'm going back to the lessons folder here, and I'm going to click here to enter the folder. And down at the bottom is the Dropbox where you can upload the file with your notes. So you do your reading, you do your annotating. When it's time to turn in your annotations, that'll be quotes and your thoughts about the quotes in a Word document. I'm going to come here and click there, and then I'm going to scroll down to where it says I want to attach the file. I'm going to browse local files, and then I would double click on whatever file I wanted to upload. And again, there's a submit button. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but there's a submit button, and you click submit. So I hope that's helpful. I hope that answers your questions, and let me know anything that you need.